Hey guys, it's Jennifer and Randy with Live, Laugh, Love to Roam. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hey! And if you've already been here, hey! It's third day of travel and we are about 2 hours.
No, right now we're about a little over an hour, about 53 miles. Depending on, we'll have to cross the ferry, so depending on if there's any wait on the ferry, it might take a little longer. But we're within an hour and a half or so
Of our destination. Yay! I'm so glad. Yesterday was kind of a long day of travel. How many hours were we driving yesterday?
About, with all the stops and everything, we did about 10 hours yesterday.
Yeah, I was feeling it. Mainly in my legs. My ankles like to swell anytime we travel for that little, airplane, truck, car, doesn't matter. So then my legs start feeling kind of bad. So I was ready to get out and get up. So we ended up spending the night at the Walmart parking lot in Victoria, Texas. And we did go inside and buy groceries. We spent a little over $100. And actually that was a really nice Walmart to stay at. The parking lot was really big.
Yeah, they got the biggest parking lot, and you're able to park off out to the side. You don't feel like you're in the way. And actually, first time we've been at a Walmart, no trucks or other RVs came in at all. So it was nice, quiet, good, peaceful, nice street.
Yep, it was. So I'm going to be showing you when we get closer, because the landscape and all that definitely looking more coastal.
Yeah.
And just like that, you start seeing palm trees. Then you know you're getting closer to the ocean. Actually, I already kind of smell it, and you can already kind of feel it in the air, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're fixing to go across the bridge.
I don't know that I can smell it yet, but I don't have your nose.
That's true. I have bloodhound nose, which is a curse, by the way. But we are fixing to go across the bridge over Capano Bay. We are now coming up on Rockport,
Which is just right across the bridge.
which is right across.
Actually, Fulton's right across the bridge.
Fulton is right across the bridge, and then you go into Rockport. And here we go across the bridge over Capano Bay, and there it is in all its glory right there. I just love when we get to the ocean. It's like, I didn't grow up around the ocean, but it's like my home. I feel at home especially when we get to Port Aransas. I love island life. I love it there.
I just love the vibe and
Yeah.
the feel.
Yeah. Oh, look at this guy riding his bike across. Now we're coming up on Fulton, and then that goes right into Rockport, which is where we stayed last time.
We stayed right kind of close to Capano Bay and close to the reef.
Yeah. There it is. Like I said, this is where we stayed last time. Aransas Pass, which is the town right before we get on the ferry to go to Port Aransas. Yay! But I wanted to show you how pretty it is and all the palm trees and the really pretty flowers. It's so pretty. And we're fixing to get on the ferry. Now we're crossing Aransas Bay. And it just seems so familiar. Just seems so familiar to me because we've been here so many times. It's almost like coming to my second home, you know? And there's the first sign for the ferry. Ferry wait to Port Aransas, 15 minutes, which is normally what it says.
Yeah, that's. I mean, you may get there and just get right on and they're ready to go, or you may get there and they can't wait for it to load it.
Yeah.
And we'll be taking. They'll have to have it pretty much empty for us to get home. So.
Yeah, we're pretty long, so. And just like that, Port Aransas, Texas. And right ahead is the ferry. Wonder how long we'll have to wait.
In a quarter mile, take the Aransas past Port Aransas Ferry.
Thank you, we will. There we go, we're getting on the ferry. So we're getting in the middle? Or we're getting in both?
Sure, let's go line up. I'll take it these two lanes.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Your tire thingy. Well, he's telling us how to do it. Look at this guy's fishing poles in the back of his truck. What's that? Made me a little nervous there.
Now I smell the ocean.
Here we are, Port Aransas, Texas. Woo!
Turn right onto Cutoff Road.
She calls it cut off. I call it cut off.
Randy has his phone, his GPS set for Australian, and the lady will crack us up the way she says things, like that right there. Cut off road. What'd she say? Cut off.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Actually, that's not the Australian lady this time.
Oh, it's not.
No.
Oh.
This one's got different.
Oh. But yeah, it'll crack us up because she'll say something like,
Houston for Houston.
yeah, she says Houston for Houston. She also adds a R on the end of,
Anything into A.
yeah. So like instead of Victoria, she would say Victoria. Tulsa for Tulsa. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I love all the tropical colors, guys. Just makes me happy. Look at it. Just look at it. The palm trees.
That's good food. Everybody's crazy about.
Yep. The dock on Mustang Island.